Boo-hoo! I'm here! Oh, no, shook. So today we are building the biggest Lego set I have, and I personally don't think it looks that big, but I don't know. But so today we have the Iron Man's Hall of Armor, aka most of his Iron Man suits, and the attack of the Outriders. Yeah, the attack of the Outriders. And so we have. So let's look at the characters. I am going to name these. We have 2 Outriders, Iron Man MK1, Iron Man MK5, Iron Man MK41, Iron Man MK50, and Iron Man MK38, which is this build right here. I know that for a fact. So let's get to opening this right now. Oh yeah, we forgot to take a look at the back. We have Iron Man MK32 attacking thing, I guess. So, stabbing approach this time? Yeah. It's gonna take a while. Cut it right here. Okay, I have it pretty much open. So let's take this out. So we're gonna have to actually name some bags. Ah! Oh, great. So we have a bag, another bag. Jeez. And we have like 5 more instructions. We have, like another instruction. I don't think there's any more. Stickers. Always come in handy, bud. Voice in the mouth, bud. What? Well, let's name these bags right now. We have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bud, and bag 4. We have instructions, stickers always come in handy, but yeah, this, yeah, so let's get to building this right now. I want to time lapse it. Bag 1 and then bag 2. Alright, so it's a different day, by the way. And I got the first part done. This is pretty cool, I'm guessing. So we have a fire right here, a fire right here. I don't know if you guys can see those. And like a fire extinguisher so it can put out the flames, I'm guessing. We have Iron Man, or Tony Stark, or whatever. And he has like a mean face and a robot face. And then a happy face, kind of. Right? Yeah, happy face. We have an outrider, pretty obvious. And we have these clawers right here. I can go like boom, so if like Iron Man ever needs repairing, you can go like take them off or whatever. Stuff like that. The outrider can attack him while he's doing it. So let's move on to, this is gonna sound crazy, but bag 4. Because this is the one I've been waiting for. I really want to build this one. So let me just get the time lapse real quick. See you in 30 seconds. Alright, it's another day. So, and we have this blue thing, or this blue Iron Man. I think this is MK38, I forget what I said. It doesn't show it in the character, I just know it from something. And it can like salute and everything. It can take down one of the outliers like a crab. What? I don't know. So we just go like something. So let's get on with bag 2 because I want this to be really short. So let's go. finally, we have this done. After like 5 days. We don't even have the whole thing done. We only have bag 2 done. So we have MK1, which has gray head. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, whatever. And MK5, I'm pretty sure, which has no head either. We have an outrider like usual. We have this, which is pretty cool, obviously. We have these like things to fix whoever up, or Iron Man. And we have the satellite right here, and just like some like equipment and stuff like that. So let's get on the bag 3, because I really want to finish this, just because it's about to be like 15 minutes long. So let's see about that. Ooh, somewhere new. All right, we finally have it done. I'm so proud of myself because it took like 6 days to do. Just because like I got tired and everything. So here's a computer with like monitor stuff on it, with like random stuff. Of course, here are the flames right there. Right here, these are flames. So let me just put those somewhere in the places. We have 2 outriders, like I said. There's MK38. I have no idea what this one is. I'm gonna say it's MK41 though, because that's what I think it is. Ah! There's an outrider. There's a smoothie right here. You guys probably can't see that. There's like a gun right here, a jetpack right here, a wrench station, and like a multi-clone head or something. Well, that was intense. But I'm done now, finally. I'm kind of glad I'm done. So, I'm going to showcase it all off, finally. I finally get to say that. And, yeah, see you in the next Lego set video or whatever. Bye! Whoa, I'm finally done. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment your favorite Lego set I've ever done. Bye-bye. See you next time.